Welcome back. We are at the waterfall today. I'm with a dry ass throat. Watching the eclipse. Bugs be landing on me because that smells so good. I'd be scared too. The bees really love me. This is pretty. I have different eyes than everyone else though. No one sees what I see. So, and the camera really be fucking it up. Well, this is not an iPhone, but I have so many phones. That's ridiculous. I don't know why I did that. Smart. That's why. I'm walking back to the car because I forgot the ganja and the cigarettes. And this is a kind of a long walk from where I wanted to hang out at. It's past the waterfall. Ooh, I should take a witch's ball. I'm gonna put this in my car. Ooh, a witch's bones. Witch's cherries. He went to cherry macchiato. Says you shall not pass. What's the password? That's where Jesus got resurrected. Ow. I'm gonna learn not to cuss starting today. Because I'm a child of God. Why is that funny? Because I'm grown. And it was a lie. I'm walking barefoot in the woods. Someone with a dog. What's that dog's name?
Butt.
Huh?
Butt.
Butt?
Butt like
Why'd
butt.
you name it Butt?
Well, it's like Buddy, but butt.
Butt.
Buddy.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
That's butt.
I left the ganja in the car, so
Oh.
I'm walking to go get it.
You left it. All right.
I like your outfit.
That's Willow.
You want one of these?
Why not? Well,
Cheers.